In this video, we'll guide you through how to use the Correct Transactions feature in Sage Accounting. This tool allows you to change the ledger account or analysis type on existing transactions, even if they've been paid, allocated, bank reconciled, or included in a VAT return. You can correct each transaction individually, or several transactions at once if you are making the same change to all of them. We'll show you how to search for transactions, make corrections, and review any changes using this feature. To get started, on the top toolbar, navigate to Adjustments, then click Correct Transactions. Previous corrections will appear here. To begin, click Make Correction. Please note, only one user can run a correction at any time, and you'll need the right access to make changes. Other users can view correction history, but they can't make updates. To find the transaction you'd like to correct, enter your search criteria. You can filter by amount, date, contact, transaction type, ledger account, and cost center. You can add several criteria lines to help find the transaction you're looking for. In this example, we have some sales invoices where the incorrect ledger account has been assigned to the items on the invoice. Therefore, we'll use date on the first line, as we know the date of the invoices we need to correct. On the second line, we'll add criteria to specify we're looking for sales invoices. In the field dropdown, we'll add transaction type, and the type is sales invoice. Then click Search. All transactions that meet the criteria appear in this section, and the transaction details are shown to help you identify the relevant items. Select the checkbox next to each transaction you want to correct, then click Next. On the left, you can see the field you are changing. On the right, you can choose the new ledger account and cost center. Complete both drop-down options, and if one is not relevant, select Do Not Change. If required, add a reason for the correction. Please note, you can't use the Correct Transactions tool to change control accounts like bank, VAT, or trade debtors and creditors. You can't update CIS accounts or edit transaction descriptions or line item text. When you're happy with the changes, click Review and check the details of the changes that will be made. Then to finalize the correction, click Update. Once complete, you'll see confirmation of the changes. You can view this summary anytime from the Correct Transactions page. To do this, simply click on the relevant update from the list. If any transactions can't be updated, you'll see a message with the number of items that weren't changed and a reason next to each one. There are a few reasons why a correction might not go through. The new ledger account isn't valid for that transaction type. The analysis type isn't set up for that transaction. Another user is already correcting transactions. The transaction is before your financial lock date. Or the transaction is flagged. For example, it might be part of flat rate VAT or resale. If a correction fails, check the message shown in the status column, resolve the issue, and then try again. For more information, visit our Help Center and search for Correct Transactions. You've now learned how to correct ledger accounts and analysis types on existing transactions in Sage Accounting.